Hey there, language enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting and inspiring topic to explore: how to start your very own virtual language learning platform. If you've ever dreamed of turning your passion for languages into a thriving online business, you're in the right place. Whether you're an experienced language teacher or a language lover with a vision, we're here to guide you through the process step by step. In this video, we will uncover the secrets and steps to help you launch a successful virtual language learning platform that empowers learners from around the world. We'll delve into everything from defining your vision and target audience to assembling a team of passionate instructors, building a robust technological backbone, fostering a thriving community, and implementing effective marketing strategies. You'll gain valuable insights into each stage of the process, along with practical tips and examples to help you navigate this exciting journey. So, if you're ready to embark on a language learning adventure of your own and make a positive impact in the lives of language learners globally, then stay tuned. Let's dive into the world of virtual language learning platforms and discover how you can make your dream a reality. Defining your vision and target audience. Defining your vision involves determining the overarching purpose and goals of your virtual language learning platform. Consider the impact you want to make in the language learning space. Do you aim to provide accessible language education to underserved communities? Are you focused on promoting cultural exchange and understanding? Identifying your unique value proposition will help you position your platform effectively. When defining your target audience, go beyond basic demographics. Dive into their language learning needs, preferences, and pain points. Understand their motivations, challenges, and goals when it comes to language learning. Conduct market research, surveys, or interviews to gather insights. This deeper understanding will enable you to tailor your platform's features, content, and marketing strategies to cater to the specific needs of your target audience. Platform features and content. To create an engaging and effective virtual language learning platform, brainstorm a comprehensive list of features and content. Consider the different aspects of language learning that you want to address. This may include interactive lessons, video tutorials, audio exercises, vocabulary builders, grammar explanations, cultural immersion activities, speaking practice, writing exercises, and progress tracking tools. Additionally, explore gamification techniques to make the learning experience more enjoyable. Consider implementing features like points, badges, leaderboards, or challenges to motivate learners and foster a sense of achievement. Offering additional resources like downloadable worksheets, reading materials, or access to native speakers for conversation practice can further enhance the learning experience. By providing a diverse range of features and content, you can cater to different learning styles and preferences. Consider offering courses at different levels of proficiency, specialized courses for specific purposes, e.g., business language, exam preparation, and the option to learn multiple languages. Regularly update and expand your content library to keep learners engaged and provide ongoing learning opportunities. Assembling a team of passionate instructors. Assembling a team of passionate and experienced language instructors is essential for the success of your virtual language learning platform. Look for instructors who not only have a strong command of the languages they teach but also possess effective teaching techniques and excellent communication skills. When recruiting instructors, conduct thorough interviews and teaching demos to assess their teaching abilities. Look for individuals who can create engaging and dynamic lessons, adapt their teaching styles to meet the needs of different learners, and provide personalized feedback and support. Consider their experience in online teaching, their ability to utilize technology effectively, and their cultural competence. Invest in ongoing professional development opportunities for your instructors. Provide workshops, training sessions, or access to educational resources to help them continuously improve their teaching skills and stay updated with the latest trends in language education. Encourage collaboration among instructors, creating a supportive environment where they can share best practices, exchange ideas, and learn from each other. The technological backbone. Building a solid technological backbone is crucial for a seamless virtual language learning platform. Develop a user-friendly website or app with a clean and intuitive interface. Ensure that your platform is responsive and accessible across different devices and operating systems. Implement a learning management system, LMS, that facilitates easy navigation, course enrollment, and progress tracking for learners. The LMS should provide a centralized platform for learners to access learning materials, submit assignments, interact with instructors and fellow learners, and receive feedback. Pay attention to data security and privacy. Implement encryption protocols to protect user information and ensure compliance with relevant data protection regulations. Choose a reliable hosting service that can handle the anticipated traffic and provide a seamless learning experience for users. Regularly update and maintain your platform to address any technical issues promptly and incorporate user feedback for continuous improvement. Monitor user analytics to gain insights into learner behavior, preferences, and engagement levels. Use this data to enhance the platform's functionality, identify areas for improvement, and personalize the learning experience for individual learners. Fostering a thriving community. Fostering a thriving community within your virtual language learning platform is essential for learner engagement, motivation, and success. Create discussion forums or chat rooms where learners can connect, interact, and collaborate. Encourage them to share their experiences, ask questions, and seek support from fellow learners and instructors. Implement group projects, language challenges, or virtual language exchange programs that promote collaboration and provide opportunities for learners to practice their language skills in a supportive environment. Organize virtual events, webinars, or workshops led by instructors, industry experts, or guest speakers. These events can offer additional learning opportunities and foster a sense of belonging within the language learning community. Actively solicit feedback from learners and provide responsive support. Establish clear communication channels where learners can voice their concerns, ask questions, or suggest improvements. Respond to inquiries promptly and engage with learner contributions to foster a sense of community and show learners that their opinions are valued. Consider recognizing and showcasing learner achievements. Highlight success stories, share testimonials, or award certificates to celebrate learners' progress and motivate others. By cultivating a positive and inclusive learning community, learners will feel supported, motivated, and connected, enhancing their overall language learning experience. Marketing and promotion. Developing an effective marketing and promotion strategy is crucial to attract learners to your virtual language learning platform. Utilize various channels to create awareness and generate interest. Leverage social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube to share engaging and informative content related to language learning. Create a content calendar and regularly post language learning tips, success stories, or interviews with instructors to engage with your target audience. Collaborate with language influencers, bloggers, or content creators who have a dedicated following in the language learning community. Partner with them to create valuable content, host webinars, or provide exclusive offers for their followers. This collaboration can help expand your reach and tap into established communities of language learners. Invest in search engine optimization, SEO, techniques to improve the visibility of your platform in search engine results. Identify relevant keywords and incorporate them strategically into your website content, blog posts, or video descriptions. Optimize your website structure, meta tags, and alt text to enhance search engine ranking and increase organic traffic. Consider offering free trials, discounts, or referral programs to incentivize new learners to try your platform. Encourage satisfied learners to share their positive experiences and recommend your platform to others. Implement a system to track referrals and provide rewards or discounts for successful referrals. Monitor marketing analytics to evaluate the effectiveness of your strategies. Measure key performance indicators such as website traffic, conversion rates, engagement metrics, and learner acquisition costs. Analyze the data to identify successful marketing channels and tactics, and refine your strategies accordingly to maximize the impact of your marketing efforts. By implementing a well-rounded marketing and promotion strategy, you can effectively reach your target audience, generate interest, and attract a diverse range of language learners to your virtual language learning platform. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our journey into starting a virtual language learning platform. We hope this detailed guide has provided you with valuable insights and practical steps to turn your vision into a thriving reality. Remember, starting a virtual language learning platform takes careful planning, dedication, and a genuine passion for languages. By defining your vision, understanding your target audience, assembling a team of passionate instructors, building a robust technological backbone, fostering a thriving community, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can create an immersive and impactful language learning platform. Embrace the power of technology to provide engaging and interactive learning experiences. Nurture a vibrant community where learners can connect, collaborate, and support each other's language learning journeys. And remember, marketing and promotion are key to reaching a wider audience and attracting learners to your platform. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey. We believe that together, we can create a world where language learning knows no boundaries. So, go ahead and take the leap into the exciting realm of virtual language learning platforms. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more language-related content and stay connected with us. Best of luck on your journey, and may your virtual language learning platform bring joy, knowledge, and empowerment to language learners around the globe. Happy language learning!